Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I'll be reviewing this shampoo from Maui Moisture, and I'll be sharing my thoughts on the product. This isn't the first time I've used this product, but I wanted to use it first before giving a review on it. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So I detangled my hair. My hair was in a twist out, so I just detangled that off camera. And then what I'm gonna do now is wet my hair with warm water because I'm a low porosity girl, and we need warm water to open that cuticle so that the product can be absorbed. So I will do that, and then when it's time to shampoo, I will be back. Alrighty, so my hair is wet as you're seeing, and I am going to take up the shampoo. Just giving you a close-up. I got drawn to this shampoo because it said it has lightweight hydration and hibiscus water. And to be honest, I never really used anything with hibiscus water in it. And it also apparently has passion fruit and watermelon, and it's sulfate free. So all those naturals who really don't want a sulfate shampoo, I think that you can try this out and let me know your thoughts. This is in no way, shape, or form sponsored. It is me just giving my honest opinion. So like I said, I wet my hair. It was already wet from the detangling process, but I just wanted to wet it again just to really open up that cuticle. So I am going to start on this front section right here. If you are new to my channel, I usually wash my hair in 4 sections. So I am going to start with the front section right here, as you're seeing. And I'm just really wetting the area again, just so that it can really be drenched. Alrighty, so I am going to take this amount, a good size amount, because my hair has leftover product in it, leftover twisting butter from mini twist that I did. So I'm just gonna emulsify the product in my hands, and I'm going, as you're seeing, I'm running it through my hair. And as you're also seeing, it has a great lather, which subconsciously I think is a good thing, because you know your hair is getting cleaned if there's a lot of sud, but I don't think that there is a scientific explanation for it. So there is that, and so far it feels like it is cleaning my scalp, especially from the very first time that I used it. It feels the same way. It's cleaning my scalp as I am rubbing my hands through it. And I am not feeling any of the butter that was on my hair as I am rubbing the shampoo through the strands. So that was also what pulled me to using this product over and over again. So I think that is great if you are looking for a shampoo. Alright, so from the very first time I used it versus now, the first time I used it, I felt my hair slightly stripped, but now my hair actually feels hydrated, like it's actually, like the shampoo is actually living up to its name. So I am going to go in with a second wash and see if it stays the same, and I will be back with that result. So this is before the wash. And this is after the wash. With the stripped feeling that I was telling you about just a while ago, it is still there, but it's not that bad. I know that my hair is clean and there is still moisture there. So if anything, I think it's living up to its name when it says it hydrates the hair. So I will continue with the other sections and then I will be back with my final thoughts. Alright, so as you can see, my hair is washed. From feeling my hair, other than the fact that my hair has water, I can tell that my hair is hydrated. And to be honest, between the first time that I used it and now, my hair feels different in terms of hydration. The first time that I used it, my hair felt stripped, but it still had some moisture in it. But now my hair feels more moisturized, but just with a little bit of that stripped feeling. So I don't mind it, just as long as my hair is clean, just as long as my scalp is clean, and just as long as my hair is hydrated when I am using a hydrating shampoo as it claims to be, then that is all that matters. So I would really give this shampoo a 7 out of 10. A 7 because it was a decent shampoo, but I have used shampoos that are more hydrating and cleansing, so it fits perfectly as a good shampoo, but I've used better. So that is my final rating, a 7 out of 10. If you liked this video and if you reached this far, definitely hit that like button. And if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this shampoo review with someone who's interested in trying a new shampoo, whether they are just looking for a shampoo to try or whether they're just looking for a moisturizing shampoo. Definitely send this video to them, and hopefully this video will help them choose a new shampoo. And yes, this is the end of this video once again, and I will see you in part 2 where I will be reviewing the conditioner to this line. So I will see you in that video. Bye.